Hello, I'm 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗸𝗀𝗁 from the Microsoft 365 product marketing team. I'm so happy you're joining us for a topic that is super exciting and fun to talk about. A whole new dimension of productivity for Microsoft 365 in the workplace, visual content creation. We, as a culture, are becoming much more visually oriented in how we communicate and consume information. Images and videos have a unique ability to add clarity and impact to our messages in an efficient way. But whether you want to share ideas, showcase your work, or tell a story, you need tools that help you create engaging and impactful visual content with ease and confidence. Tools that simplify the creative process so anyone can produce great content, no matter their skills or experience. That's why we are thrilled to introduce you to Microsoft Designer and Microsoft Clipchamp. With Designer, all you need is an idea in order to create amazing images and designs. And Clipchamp's array of tools and a simple interface can make anyone feel comfortable creating professional-looking videos. Over the next few minutes, I, along with Derek and Jase from the Designer and Clipchamp product teams, are going to share with you our vision for visual content creation and show you how these tools, enhanced by the power of AI and the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, can make it easy for anyone to harness the power of images and videos in their work. We began our journey with Designer and Clipchamp in the consumer market, but are super excited to now bring them into our commercial offering for Microsoft 365. We are proud to announce at this Ignite that Clipchamp has now reached general availability and can be used by anyone licensed for the Microsoft 365 Business or Enterprise suites. With Designer, we are first integrating it into several Microsoft 365 apps so you can generate and customize images in the flow of work. Right now, you can use Designer in Teams for announcement banners and Designer in Edge for when you're working on the web. Designer in Copilot, which you can use within apps such as Word and Whiteboard, will be available by the end of 2023, and we have many more integrations on the way. Designer as a standalone app will come into preview in the coming months, followed by a general release later next year. Our mission with Designer and Clipchamp is to truly democratize image and video creation, just like we did for documents with Word and presentations with PowerPoint. We believe we have a unique opportunity to change how people think about visual content in three key ways. First, we're making it easy for people to find the right tools for the job and get started with them. As part of Microsoft 365, Designer and Clipchamp are easy to find and right where you need them, whether that's at Microsoft365.com or as an integration within the apps where you'll create and use the content. Next, we're developing Designer and Clipchamp so anyone can use them. It starts with a laser focus on the user experience, but AI truly changes the game. Suddenly, the barriers of learning curves, creative thinking, and tedious detail work fade away. Work that was once intimidating and complex now feels simple and achievable. And finally, we're tailoring Designer and Clipchamp to the needs of our commercial customers. With features that ensure consistency with your organization's brand and style, enable collaboration among colleagues, and support security and compliance needs like you'd expect with Microsoft 365, you know these are tools you can count on and trust. Now let's take a closer look at the products themselves. I'm going to hand it off to my colleagues on the product teams for Designer and Clipchamp to go a little deeper with them so you can see how they transform the way we work and communicate. Let's start with Derek Johnson to show us what they're doing with Designer.
Thanks, Bill. I'm Derek Johnson, and I'm the Director of Product here for Microsoft Designer. We released Microsoft Designer in public preview for consumers earlier this year with a focus on democratizing content creation for individuals who need help creating professional-looking content. Today, I'm excited to announce the availability of some exciting AI-powered Designer features for our enterprise customers, as well as some exciting experiences we'll be releasing in the coming months. Microsoft Designer is an AI-powered graphic design app that makes it easy for anyone to create professional quality social media posts, invitations, digital postcards, graphics, and more with little or no design experience. While we're going to spend most of our time focusing on the Designer experiences we're bringing to our enterprise customers, let's first give you an idea of the experience we've built so far for consumers. With Microsoft Designer, you just tell Designer what you want to create, and we'll get started creating great-looking designs for you in seconds. You can add your own photos to the designs, but if you can't find the perfect picture, Designer can even generate unique images for you with AI. After selecting a design that you like, you can customize it to fit your needs. As you add additional elements like a text box, the Ideas pane will give you suggestions that help make that text fit right in. Designer can even help with writing, so it's easy to say just the right thing. Designer also has some incredible tools that use AI to make time-consuming image production tasks a breeze. Easily swap out image backgrounds with anything you can imagine. Since Designer is there to help you with AI suggestions at every step of the authoring process, you'll continue to see recommendations like these, which add motion and animations to make your design come alive. Just like that, your design's ready to share. Since releasing our consumer offering of Designer, we've been working with many of you to understand how we can best bring the power of Designer to your organizations. We wouldn't be here without your help and thoughtful feedback. So if you're interested in continuing to help shape how Designer comes to your organization, please sign up using the QR code on your mobile device or clicking the link on your screen, and we'll be in touch. Now, first and foremost, we learned that teams are looking for tools that help democratize content creation and can save time with the power of generative AI. You want tools that are easy to learn and even easier to use. And we also know that you have a high bar for quality of content created in your organization. It must be on brand, it must follow your company content guidelines, and it needs to take into account your company's unique content and brand so that it can help anyone create designs that are up to your standards. Using multiple tools is also very time-consuming, difficult to manage, and costly. And of course, with any content created in your organization, you want peace of mind that your company's compliance standards are being met. We took all of this into account when prioritizing the experiences to bring to your organization. When creating content, it's essential that your employees don't have to leave their existing workflows. That's why we've integrated Designer into Copilot and other products across the Microsoft ecosystem. We also know that having access to your brand assets within creation tools isn't enough. Generative capabilities and AI tools must have your brand infused throughout the experience so that all the content you create is on brand. And of course, you can be assured that all of this is built with the trust, compliance, and responsible AI you'd expect from Microsoft. One of the key benefits of having Designer integrated across the ecosystem is that it can help make any communication more visually engaging in only a few clicks. Like here in Teams, for example. Imagine you're creating a post announcing a training event coming up later this week. With our integration just a click away, you can tell Designer what you want to announce, and it generates some great looking results. And since you have your brand saved, Designer will give you on-brand options to choose from. Once you see one you like, you can click to insert it, and your post is ready to share with the team. Designer in Teams for announcements is available for everyone to use, and more scenarios will be coming later. We've also just released Designer in Edge for managed devices. Want to draw more attention to your emails, announcements, or social media posts anywhere on the web? Designer in Edge makes that easier than ever. Say you're making a post on your company Facebook page promoting an event coming up. Designer can take into account the context of your post and provide design suggestions. Right from within Edge, you can even add your own image, and Designer will regenerate designs that seamlessly integrate that image. Pick the one you like, and you're ready to post or share. Now, let's take a look at how Copilot can use Designer to help bring your ideas to life. Copilot in PowerPoint can help you find and insert stock images right into your slide. Today, we're announcing that Copilot in PowerPoint will be able to leverage Designer to increase your storytelling impact. With this, Copilot will be able to provide a set of stock image choices right in the chat for you to choose from. And while we're starting with stock images first, we'll be expanding to other content, including AI-generated images right within the chat. In addition, we're investing in the ability for enterprises to connect their own visual content assets, starting with a private preview program early next year. Copilot in Word uses Designer to bring AI-powered design creation to all of your documents. Want a banner or header for your document to make it more visually engaging? Designer in Copilot will take the context of your document and automatically generate banners for you to choose from, or even customize as needed, all without needing to leave Word. We understand that keeping content brand aligned is a fundamental need for your organization. Whether you're creating content for internal or external needs, Designer will be sure to respect your brand's logos, fonts, colors, tone of voice, and more. Let's say you're creating a graphic for an event to share with your customers. Designer will let you choose which brand you want applied to your designs, and in a click, all of your results are on brand. Once you select the design you like best, you can continue customizing it until it's ready to share. We're also investing in generative text features, which means Designer can write text for you right within the product. And again, since your brand kit is saved, we'll make it easy to write or rewrite the text in your designs so they match your brand's tone of voice. You can choose what you want to insert into your design or replace all the text in a single click. Additionally, we've made traditionally time-consuming image editing tasks easy with our investments in generative AI tools. After selecting an image, you can quickly remove the image background or erase specific objects with just a click. Now that your image is cleaned up, Designer can help you generate new backgrounds for your image. Designer will even take into account your brand when generating these backgrounds so that it fits in naturally. In a couple more clicks, your image is completely transformed. Designer can also help create unique product placement imagery and graphics. When you're writing a design prompt, you can select a product that you'd like to place in a unique background or setting, and Designer can do the rest, creating the graphic with AI. Now, lastly, collaboration is a fundamental need in any content creation tool, especially when used for customer-facing content, where reviews and approvals are needed before any content can be shared externally. So we're investing in collaboration features that make it easy to share designs to stakeholders and approvers. Comments and app mentions will also be supported so that colleagues can give asynchronous feedback on any piece of content before it's ready to be shared publicly. Like I said before, we couldn't have gotten this far without all of your thoughtful feedback, and we'd love to hear more from more of you. Please sign up using this QR code or by clicking the link, and we'll be in touch. Now, let's turn it over to Jase Clamp to tell us all about the amazing work he and the team have been doing with Clipchamp to transform the way we communicate and work through video.
Thanks, Derek. It's very exciting to hear what's happening on Microsoft Designer. I'm Jase, Product Manager for Clipchamp for Work. Video is a powerful communication tool. Whether you need videos that are simple or sophisticated, or need to share them internally or externally, Clipchamp makes it easy for anyone to create videos for work. Clipchamp has been used worldwide by millions of users who create over hundreds of thousands of videos each day, allowing anyone, regardless of skill or experience level, to quickly and easily create and share professional-looking videos at work. We got to this point by listening carefully to customers, so I'd like to point out the single-click feedback form in the header. When ideas spark, please let us know. Our team is reviewing daily and would love to see your feedback. Clipchamp is part of Microsoft 365, so it's easy to get access to start creating and editing videos. Microsoft 365 brings all your work together in one place, so you can work seamlessly with other apps and colleagues, all with the added benefits of centralized security and controls you and your organization can trust. You can easily share your content to OneDrive, SharePoint, Stream, communication apps, or send to any destination that supports video for a harmonious cross-platform experience. Whether you need to explain a process to your teammates, onboard new employees, send an update to clients, or even level up your organization's newsletters, now you can turn to Clipchamp to deliver an impactful message through video. Thanks to the integrated nature of Clipchamp, the videos that you create and export can be shared via Microsoft Stream, embedded and played in Microsoft Teams, or one of our favorites, embedded in emails with Outlook, seamlessly modernizing your workflows. You can share how-to videos with colleagues directly in the cloud from OneDrive, or show off a product demo to clients with a video in PowerPoint. Every minute you take in getting your message across with video is a minute you save in meetings. Companies such as Advent Health and Renaissance Learning are already using Clipchamp to create concise and impactful training and informational videos. We've often been told that Clipchamp is accessible and easy to use. We've purpose-built our editor to enable anyone and everyone to tell stories worth sharing. Let's look at how. Simply start a new video on the Clipchamp start page on Microsoft365.com, create a new Clipchamp video in OneDrive, or edit an existing video in your OneDrive. The timeline is the central location for you to edit your videos. Want to trim the boring part from the beginning of a meeting or remove content that's not relevant to your audience? It's easy with trim and cut. You can add text and annotations to call out parts of your videos for viewers, and use captions and transcript to search for specific clips in your video. You can speed up video or push your creative limits further by adding filters, effects, green screen, titles, and transitions. You can import as many clips as you want, or use available stock content as well, before setting dimensions to help you create your video ready for upload to any platform. Making these key edits can help you personalize your videos so that they're suitable for your workplace, and the results will be content you can be proud of. One of our favorite parts of Clipchamp is that it's built to be completely web-based and accessible, so you're never blocked when you're using a different computer with different software. Sharing video projects is unlocked for anyone with the Edge or Chrome browser. Create training videos on the go by using the built-in webcam and screen recorder. No downloads required. You can record a quick intro for your video by blurring the background or using a green screen. Let's try the green screen. Once we import this media, we can now choose a background from the stock library and overlay on that. Clipchamp Premium users can enjoy top-tier premium stock images, video, and audio content, plus crisp 4K exports, so your audience can enjoy their creations in sharp resolution. BrandKit also allows premium subscribers to create videos that are on brand, with custom fonts, colors, and logos easily available. In the future, teams can create and share their own templates, custom assets, and even roll out branded content across the entire organization. BrandKit will help you provide the right brand elements at your fingertips while creating engaging video content. One of the most frequent inputs we hear from customers is how hard video is to produce, which is why we're so excited about the acceleration AI is bringing to video creation. This new technology minimizes the time and effort required for editing, while elevating the overall video quality. In the near future, our editor will harness AI to remove filler words like ums and ahs, to cut down the time spent re-recording tricky dialogue. This development is so exciting because we know this type of editing used to take hours of careful selecting and cutting, and now it's just one click away, which is amazing. We also frequently hear that recorded speech doesn't sound as good as you'd like. There's noisy backgrounds and your laptop microphones aren't great. We'll also be leveraging AI to make smart audio improvements and corrections to get rid of background noise and polish the quality of your recordings, making it sound like you're in a recording studio. You can nail your voiceover on the first try in collaboration with a smart AI-based partner in creation. Lastly, our AI enhancements will make it easy to generate video highlights from longer videos, as well as summaries for users to help condense information efficiently. It's stunning to be working in software right now, knowing we can save hours and hours of effort for people, giving them their time back. By automating these labor-intensive tasks and simplifying complex editing procedures, AI in Clipchamp helps users get great results without spending a lot of time and effort on editing. After exporting, you can save your videos in OneDrive and SharePoint. Thanks to a focus on seamless integrations, you can get others to watch your videos via stream. And with Clipchamp Premium, you get access to advanced video-level stream analytics to track your video's performance. As Microsoft continues to expand our creative suite, tools such as Clipchamp, which we're announcing as generally available today, will aim to meet their users where they are, providing simple and effective editing tools that help you enhance your work. No experience required.
Thanks, Jase. As you can see, there's some pretty cool stuff you can do with Clipchamp and Designer, and like we all mentioned, this is just the beginning. We are innovating fast, and there is much more on the way. And for a topic like this, we thought it only made sense to put something visual together to give you a better sense of our vision for what image and video creation within Microsoft 365 will look like. Let's take a look.
Let's go!
As we mentioned, Clipchamp is now generally available for commercial Microsoft 365 Enterprise and Business Suites. Just go to the apps page on Microsoft365.com to find Clipchamp and get started. Clipchamp Premium, which Jase mentioned earlier, will be available to purchase starting December 1st. As an add-on to the Microsoft 365 suite, Clipchamp Premium will be available with an introductory price of $5 per user per month through June 30th, 2024. After that, the Clipchamp add-on will cost $7 per user per month. For those who don't have Microsoft 365, Clipchamp will also be available as a standalone license in the coming months. The standard license will cost $3 per user per month. The Clipchamp Premium standalone license will be available for the introductory price of $7 per user per month, also through June 30th, 2024, and cost $10 per user per month thereafter. As a reminder, Designer is currently available to Microsoft 365 Enterprise and Business customers through app integrations in Edge and Teams, and Designer and Copilot will be available by the end of the year. In the coming months, we will introduce a preview of the Designer app for commercial accounts, followed by a general release next year. Additionally, you can expect to see more integrations across the various Microsoft 365 apps so you can create rich designs without leaving the flow of work. I hope you are as excited about Designer and Clipchamp as we are. These are great tools, and they're designed to make you look good. It really does make a difference when you're able to communicate with images and video. No matter what you're creating or why, Microsoft 365 makes it easy. So get out there and use these tools at work. I think you'll find it's amazing what you can create.